So class, now we will start our next new chapter, that is parts of a plant. A plant is a living thing. It has different parts just like we do have. Some parts are above the ground and some are below. A plant has two main systems, the root system and the shoot system. So first we are going to study about the root system. So, roots are the parts of the plant that grow into the soil. Some roots are deeper than the others. Roots may be colorless or light brown in color. The two types of root system are taproot system and fibrous root system. Plants that come under taproot system have main root with many thin branches at the sides. The thick main root is called the taproot and the thinner branches of the roots are called lateral roots. Peas, beans, rose have a tap root system. Big trees like peepal, mango, and neem too have taproots. Plants that come under fibrous root system have a group of thin and small roots at the base of the stem. Fibrous roots do not enter deep into the ground like a main root. They branch out in various directions. For example, wheat, rice, millet, and maize have a fibrous root system. Herbs and grasses also have fibrous root system. Now coming to the next topic class, that is general functions of roots. So roots fix plants to the soil firmly. So the plant cannot be pulled out or blown away by wind or storm easily. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, which are essential for a plant's growth. Now coming to the next topic class, that is specialized function of roots. Some plants have roots that perform specialized functions. Let's study about them. So the first one is tuberous roots. The roots of some plants like sweet potato, tapioca, yam, carrot, beetroot, turnip store extra food in them. Hence they become swollen. We eat those roots as vegetables. These are called tuberous roots or storage roots. Next one is number 2, breathing roots. Some plants grow in marshy area which have clayey soil that retains water but not enough air. Mangrove trees grow in such areas. They develop spongy roots called breathing roots. These roots grow above the water to absorb air, helping the plant to breathe. These roots also hold the tree in place. In breathing root case system, what happens students, the roots that usually grow toward the direction into down of the earth into the earth, they will go into the earth first, go into the soil, and then again take a U-turn and will come above the soil level, and then they will absorb air for breathing. That's why they are known as breathing roots. Next one is class, that is aerial roots. Some trees like the banyan live for many years. These trees develop aerial roots or prop roots. These roots grow from branches and provide support to the trees. Aerial roots are not covered with soil. They fix themselves in the ground and become thick like trunk. Over the years, with so many aerial roots, the trees become big and strong. Now the next one is buttress roots. In rainforest, typical trees have buttress roots because they grow on soil of poor quality. Buttress roots are big roots They grow on all sides of the tree, allowing it to take in more nutrients. Next is propagative roots. These roots help the plant to produce more of their own kind. Some plants produce buds around roots that grow close to the ground, and from these buds, suckers or aerial stems with rootlets develop. These new plants can be separated from the parent plant and made to grow independently. For example, cherry tree, strawberry plant have propagative roots. Now coming to our next topic, that is the shoot system. We have completed the root system. Now it's time for the shoot system. So this part of the plant grows above the ground. It consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So we will study one by one all of these topics. The first topic here is the stem. The stem bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. They support the plant above the ground. Stems are tender in young plants. They become hard and woody in older plants and from the trunk. The tender stems are green in color, but the trunks are brown in color. They grow toward the sunlight. So next topic is function of the stem. First function is the stem holds the plant erect, helping it get air and sunlight. That means they hold the plant straight. Erect means straight, so that they can get proper air and sunlight. Number 2, it transport water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves. Number 3, it also transport food from the leaves to all part of the plant. Number 4, stems of some plants that grow under the ground store extra food in them. Such stems are known as underground modified stems. We eat these stems as food, for example, potato, onion, ginger, etc. Now coming to the next topic, that is branches. Branches are the new shoots at the side of the stem. Leaves, buds, flowers and fruits are found on branches. Branches help leaves to get enough sunlight. Some plants have branches while some plants do not have branches. Leaves. Leaves are the most important part of the plant which are attached to the branches. Most leaves are green in color. However, they vary in shape and size. Leaves are green due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. They make their own food using chlorophyll along with sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. So class, photosynthesis is the process in which plants make food by using chlorophyll, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Now coming to the function of leaves, the first function is number 1, leaves have holes on their surface which help plants to breathe. Plants lose extra water through their leaves. Number 3, the leaves of some plants like methi, lettuce and spinach are eaten as food. Now class, coming to the next topic, that is flowers. Most plants have flowers which vary in color, size, shape and smell. They are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers grow at the tip of the main stem and at the end of branches. They may be single or in bunches. So now next is the functions of flower. Number 1, flower attract insects for pollination. Number 2, flowers become fruits later on. Our next topic class is fruits. Fruits are the edible part of the plants. They may be green, yellow, red, and orange in color. Fruits have different shapes, size, and taste. Some fruits have one seed while some have many seeds. Seeds develop inside the fruits and the fruits protect the seeds. Now coming to the next topic class, that is seeds. Seeds are hidden inside fruits. When we sow seeds in the soil, new plants grow from them. Seeds contain food for the baby plant. Seeds need enough air, water, and sunlight to grow into a new plant. The process of development of a seed into a new plant is called germination. So class, here we complete our chapter. I hope that all of you have understood it well. That's all for this class. Thank you class.